Now, Jason, one of the main themes from our latest Altair Insight commentary is the unusually calm yet strong markets. Is this well-placed confidence in the economy or complacency?
Well, Katie, there's a little bit of both. The stock market has been focused on the strong corporate earnings so far this year and ignored the noise and slow pace of Washington, D.C. However, the underplayed story this year has been the bond market. The yields of longer maturity bonds, say 5 years and greater, have actually fallen this year. And when yields fall, that's the bond market expressing skepticism about future growth and inflation.
And now, another key commentary topic is the conundrum facing the Federal Reserve in the second half of the year. Tell us a little bit about that.
Katie, the Federal Reserve has raised rates twice already this year. And the conundrum is, will they raise rates again this year? And the issue is that inflation has remained stubbornly low. As the chart on the screen indicates, inflation has been running below the Fed's target, which is 2%, or the red line on the chart, for many years. In fact, this year, there's been several monthly inflation releases that have indicated inflation is falling. So in our view, the Fed should hold off on further rate increases until inflation climbs back up to its target.
And now, a carryover theme from quarter one is the strong performance of international stocks. What do you attribute this to?
Katie, as you suggest, both international developed and emerging market stocks have significantly outperformed U.S. stocks so far this year. And we attribute that really to three things. One is the decline in the U.S. dollar. The dollar has fallen by about 7% this year. The second is the improved global growth outlook, and in particular in Europe. And finally is the absence of any trade friction, which we were talking about at the beginning of the year.
And now, with all this in mind, how are we advising our clients?
Well, Katie, we're recommending that our clients stay on their long-term asset allocation targets. However, given the strong first half of the year and the historically low volatility, we are recommending that clients use this period of calmness to replenish their liquidity reserves and raise any cash that they may need in the near term.
Thank you, Jason, for being here today. The insight was wonderful to hear. We invite viewers to read our full market commentary on our website.